going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with a brand new dress like a celebrity challenge. I noticed we haven't dropped one of these in a minute, so we're back and we're gonna be doing Shai Alexander because we noticed he's one of the best dressing celebrities in the NBA, and we're trying to switch it up from just doing high profile celebrities like A$AP Rocky, Kanye West, and Gunner, and we want to do more athletes. Guys, make sure you also stick around to the end of the video because you guys know Shai Alexander puts together some decent and dope outfits, so we're gonna be trying to pick one of the best outfits that he's put together, and we're also gonna be trying to make one of the pieces in the outfit, so stick around to the end of the video. Now, most people are gonna be drawn towards Shai Alexander style because of the pieces that he wears. I like the designer pieces that he chooses to wear in each outfit. It makes the outfit really stand out, and he's more focused on like a streetwear aesthetic, which is gonna be really versatile to wear in any situation. Now, we're gonna go through Instagram because I know that's where most of his fits are gonna be, and we're gonna choose one outfit and build it from the ground up, and our budget is gonna be $100. We don't care if it's a designer outfit. That's what's gonna make this video more interesting. Even if it's a designer piece, we're gonna try to make it in this challenge. Now, I'm not gonna cap, I've checked out his Instagram before and I noticed he wears a bunch of streetwear pieces like vests, pants with a bunch of designs on it. Most of his pants I noticed are from Bravo, which has like a bunch of designs on it. This particular one that I'm looking at has like this Gilgeous print on it, which really stands out. You don't really see jeans with this Gilgeous print on it, and I know most people are gonna be turned off by that, but I really like how he incorporated it in this outfit. It really ties the orange vest that he's wearing in the outfit, and that white hoodie also makes the outfit really stand out like from regular outfits that you would see. And I also like how he diversified the kind of pants he wears. He doesn't just stick to your traditional skinny jeans. Even the jeans he wears are really unique. They're kind of different fits. They're baggier fits, and they're vintage kind of aesthetics, and I really like those kind of pants. Even with this outfit right here, like his outfit options are really like unique. It shows that he put some thought into like making them. Like, for example, this one right here, he's wearing like this two-tone hoodie, and that's really unique. Like, I've never seen something like that, especially now in the winter time. That would be really drip, and you already know his pants options are fire. Like, this pants is drip. He's really known for his pants. Yeah, the distress options on that pants, you would not find them on any regular pants. Even with his sneakers, you can see the different options of sneakers that he wears. Like, he wears Dunks, Converse. He actually has like a recent collab with Converse, but he's actually wearing it in this outfit right here. You don't really see people wear looser fitted jeans with like Converse. The silhouettes don't really mix, but he looks really good in this outfit. I like the different options that he chooses to wear in each outfit, and knowing that most of his outfits incorporates Bravo jeans, this is gonna be one of those situations where he DIYing one of those type of jeans is gonna cut the cost and make the outfit and challenge more affordable. Now, speaking of Bravo, we found this jeans that we have to DIY. This is a fire piece, and I think it's definitely gonna make the challenge more interesting because he's wearing like this NBA theme jeans with this really vintage aesthetic, and I really like this jean because it's fire. It has like a bunch of like cutout jeans that's like layered on to make those patches on the jeans, and the patches also has like a two-tone design, some with lighter cutout jeans and like darker ones. Really gives the pants like a two-tone effect, and we're gonna try to make our own version of this pants. I know it's not gonna be easy, but to save costs, we have to make this, and we definitely want this pants in our collection. Yeah, it's gonna diversify the type of jeans options that we can wear in different outfits. And speaking of the rest of the outfit, I like the white hoodie. It's just a plain, simple white hoodie with a flannel, and it really makes the outfit like balanced. Now, since the rest of the outfit is not really doing too much, it's just that white hoodie and the flannel, we're gonna go ahead and pick both of them up. We actually found the hoodie on Grailed. It's actually like a gilded hoodie, so it's not really like gonna cost a lot. It's like around $20 to $25. As far as the flannel, we found it on Poshmark. I know most vintage flannels are gonna have that color, so we went ahead and picked it up from Poshmark. And we also picked up this Levi's 502 from Amazon because we wanted to get here fast, and we picked up 2 pairs because we're gonna be cutting out 1 pair to attach to the other pair. And guys, we also picked up the Levi's 502 because it has like a similar fit to like the pants that he's wearing, so that's why we went ahead and picked up that one. Now most of the pieces just came through, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how the Levi's 502 looks like. And it actually fits the same as the one he was wearing. It's the same fit, and it has that baggier kind of looser fit. And we're gonna be using this. We actually picked it up from Amazon. It only cost us like $35. It was very affordable. That's why we picked it up on Amazon. And we went ahead and got a second pair, a cheaper option. It wasn't the Levi's. We needed a second pair to cut it up so we can attach it to this pants. Now as far as the flannel, we went ahead and picked up this one. But later on we noticed that he's not really wearing like a flannel. He's wearing more of like a jacket. This one has a similar pattern, but it fits kind of weird. So but we noticed that we have like a similar jacket in our closet, which really came in the clutch because it has like a similar pattern as well. This one's a vintage flannel or jacket that we picked up from Grailed. So we went ahead and picked up this one. It really saved us like a lot of money because we were gonna go ahead and, you guys know jackets cost a lot, so we went ahead and picked up this one. So we're gonna go ahead and skip to the DIY. Now I'm not gonna count, this took hours of work, but I'm really impressed with how it came out. This is how it looks. It has this distressing feel on it. We decided to use paint on the patches to give it that design of the NBA logo, so it really adds to that distressing on the jeans. Makes the pants look a little bit vintage. Now I know this is not gonna be the easiest thing to make, but it just shows that if you want like a designer type of jeans and it's like more of like a DIY kind of look, you could definitely go ahead and make it. This is certainly one of the most unique pants I've ever seen, and we're very glad to add it to the collection. We're definitely going to be rotating this and wearing a lot of outfits with it. Before we show you guys how the outfit looks, if you guys are new to the channel, if you guys want to support the channel, please go ahead and leave a like on this video right now because it really helps the channel. And please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, make sure you drop down in the comments, let us know what you think about the jeans, if it actually looks like what Ed Bravo was wearing, and what about Shai Alexander's outfits? Do you like his style? And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.